Ipaagi sa kagabi nga puno sa awit ug musika ang pagsaulog sa birthday ni Birheng Maria karong Setyembre 8. Ang grupo sa sakop sa Padre Pio Community ang magpaluyo sa maong kalihukan. Gawas sa kasaulogan, ipaambit usab nila ang istorya sa pagkasanto ni Padre Pio. Ang iyang istorya mamahimong panalaminan o kakuhaan og pagtulon-an. Busa karong buntaga, makisayod kita kabahin niini dinhi lang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Inspired by the strong
Ug subay ni mga kapuso, makauban nato karong buntaga dinhi sa atong programa. Head servant sa Padre Pio Contemplative Community of Sugbo, si Brother Richard Saing. Maayong buntag, Sir Richard, ug welcome dinhi sa programa.
Good morning, Sir Nico. Good morning.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Let's talk about your community sa pagkaumol ninyo. Nahiusa ang mga miyembro ini tungod sa debosyon nato kang Padre Pio.
Yeah. Actually, it started with 30 years ago, and we are part of the international prayer group founded by the saint himself, you know, in response that the world needs prayer, according to Padre Pio. So we are the first in the Philippines, in Sugbo, and we are continuing. We continue to invite people to pray, not only for ourselves, but for the need of the country, the need of the family. Like that.
Personally, Sir Richard, unsa may kanang nakapaagdi nimo, or let's talk about your devotion isa imong para kay Santo Padre Pio, kinsa may naka-impluwensya nimo?
Yeah, actually 1995 I was given a stampita of Padre Pio. I cannot remember who gave me that stampita, but I prayed it every night, and even the Holy Rosary, no? Because that was the devotion. Padre Pio wanted people to pray the Holy Rosary every day. And because of that, there were miracles happening, no? Even until now, no? So that triggers me to have that devotion very seriously. And there were even miracles attributed by Padre Pio to his spiritual children. No, so basically until now, I have been in the community for 20 plus years, and because of that devotion, there were attributes, miracles of Padre Pio. And the latest one was the cousin of our spiritual director, Monsignor Roger. I was asked by Monsignor Roger to visit Maayo Hospital because during that time, September last year, his cousin was experiencing a massive heart attack. I was there in the ICU. I prayed over using the stampita that right now still having the oil generated on it miraculously. Wow. And to make the story short, it was only a 1 minute pray over with Brother June. Then I went out ICU. And that was Saturday. The following day, Sunday and Monday, Monsignor Roger texted me. Thank you for visiting my cousin. He's okay now, and we are transferring from ICU to the regular room. And within a week time, he was discharged without any operation. It's a massive heart attack. During the time I visit, it's all reddish eye and all these tubes, nose and mouth like that. So basically, it's a very critical. And it was miraculous.
Miraculous.
And we invited him because that time the coming feast of Padre Pio, September 23. It happened September 3, like that. So
briefly lang, Brother Richard, about Padre Pio kay usab may sa mga tang bag-ubag o nga mga santo sa simbahan Katoliko. Brother, unsa may maistorya ni about Padre Pio? Kailan may bawaan sa itong mga kaigsuonan?
Yeah. Padre Pio is one of the greatest saints in the history of the Catholic Church. He is a stigmatist, where the 5 wounds of Jesus Christ appear in his body. No? And not only that, he has the divine gift of bilocation. He's having the whole mass here and there at the same time. No? And what made him very popular because he saw the heart of penitents. Whenever the penitents are trying to escape the real sins, and he say, no, you have to be open like that. Mabalik siya. And he's praying the people, and that penitent until everything will become like.
Hangtod nga mahiuli sa
Yes. There is a conversion. There is conversion and healing.
Let's talk about this area, Brother Richard, nga inyong i-develop karon. You're building a sanctuary usa gani na sa pahigayunan sa inyong kalihukan. On September 8 kay birthday man ni Mama Mary.
Yeah. Actually, last year it was the birthday of Padre Pio, May 25. It was conceptualized because we were here in Sugbo for about 30 years. We planned that it's high time to build something that we can invite people to pray.
Alright.
And this is it, in Pulangbato.
Pulang
We call it Santuario de Padre Pio Sugbo. And this coming September 8, the birthday of Our Lady, Virgin Mary, and the devotion of Padre Pio to Our Lady of Grace. So what will be happening this September 8 is there will be a song of original songs of the Blessed Mother offered by the community. That this is free for everyone. Then enthronement also of the Our Lady of Grace to our small chapel. And the third is the consecration of the Santuario de Padre Pio Sugbo to Our Lady, Our Lady of Grace.
Briefly, limitado tong oras, Brother Richard, message lang nimo, invitation sa nimo sa atong makaigsunan.
The Padre Pio Contemplative Community would like to invite everyone to come and join this September 8 at 7 o'clock in the morning until lunchtime. There will be presentations free for everyone, and every first Saturday of the month also will be having Mass there in Pulangbato, and also the pray over healing for everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning, pagpaambit sa inyong mga kalihukan. Mga kapuso, Dr. Richard Saing sa Padre Pio Contemplative Community of Sugbo. Mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.